Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video, we are going to take a review on a Surf Excel ad which recently surfaced in India, and it created a lot of controversy, and people talked a lot about this on media after that, because at first this controversy surfaced on the this social media, and there were like people talking and then the people defending, and the people who were just like blaming make this ad controversial were like all Hindus, and the people who were defending this were from the different other communities. And the way the people who were blaming this ad or they were getting offended, they were, like I said, all Hindus, but they had two different point of views to criticize this. Some of those Hindus were blaming that this ad is bad because it is making the Hinduism bad. And some of those Hindus were blaming this ad because they were saying that this is actually a anti-Muslim ad. So I mean, I don't know why the Muslims were not like thinking like that. Half of the Muslims are blaming that this is actually a anti-Muslim ad, and the half of the Muslims are blaming that this is actually anti-Hindu ad. But it was just like only Hindus. So that means that somehow due to this ad only Hindus got offended, but they gave different reasons. Some of those reasons were related to that this is like anti-Muslim because it is showing just one aspect of the Muslim, a very narrow-minded aspect of the Muslims. It is showing like they are just like religious and they can't do anything else other than the prayers or something like that were there in the comments. And then there were Hindus who were like blaming this ad because they thought that this is actually anti-Hindu. And why it is anti-Hindu or anti-Hinduism? Because it was, according to them, it was showing some specific Hindu festival and its colors that they are actually bad, or actually this is portraying those coloring as bad. So we are going to see that what kind of a coloring or what kind of a color stuff they do in this tradition, or what is going on in this tradition, by checking this ad first. So let's start this ad first. So this is actually a Holi festival which is related to Hinduism, and it is getting played in Indian streets, and there is this lady which is like a child, and he is inviting the guys to throw the colors whatever they have onto her clothes so that their colors somehow get all finished. So now actually all of their colors whatever they had to throw on the other people's clothes or whatever, they got finished, and now she is inviting another kid to come out of his house. So now actually this kid, which is probably in real life a Hindu, but he is portraying in this video as a Muslim, the way he has his clothes on. So these are just like a religious clothes, and he is going to a mosque. नमाज पढ़ कर आता हूँ, बाद में रंग पड़ेगा। अपनेपन के रंग से औरों को रंगने में दाग लग जाए तो दाग अच्छे हैं। सर्फ एक्सेल। So actually now she is saying that after he is going to come back from his prayer, since that male guy is going inside the mosque, so he is going to get a lot of colors, and they are going to throw colors on his clothes as well. So this is actually just like a Hindu girl helping a Muslim guy so that he doesn't get colors on his clothes and he can go to a mosque with his clothes just like clean, and in a formal manner he can do the prayers. And I think the way they have made this guy look like religious, because they wanted to show him as a Muslim, and they are showing that there is actually a religious harmony among the Muslim and the Hindu kids. So the Hindu kids or the Hindu people can help the Muslim kids, and the Muslim people in many cases, and this is one of those cases, they are helping. So this is actually a very good message. If this ad would have been made with Hindus on the receiving end and the Muslim guy helping, so the Muslims would have appreciated this ad, that this is actually a really good ad, because in Islam and the Muslims, the way they see, they think is like they should help the others and they should do even sacrifice to help the others. But the Hindu somehow they don't feel like they should help the others, and they usually have this kind of a feeling that why they should help the others. The others are not good and we are not going to help them, so why they are even asking some, if somebody asks that that they can't help. So it is the way the Hinduism is. It is just like they feel more insecure, they don't want to help, and this is why this feeling of theirs is coming here as well, that they are seeing a Hindu girl helping some Muslim guy. So it is just like impossible to most of the religious Hindus. I mean, there can be Hindus which can be helpful as well, but they would be thought as that like they don't believe in Hinduism anymore, because they won't be like that fanatic. They would go to those extreme levels of hatred or whatever, or probably love towards their religion. So this looks the one of the cases. And also the other aspect which comes to my mind after watching this ad is like India is a Hindu majority country, and even if something is wrong in this ad, so they can let it go, they can just ignore this any little thing, that they are in majority, nobody can make give them trouble, they can't have any trouble because they are already in majority. Probably the Sikhs living there, they can get into some trouble, the Muslims, they are in minority, but since the Hindus are majority, so they can let it go. Like even if something is wrong, it is just like in Pakistan, there are like the Muslims who are in majority, and they can have something some incident like this as well, but they can ignore, like we are already in majority, nobody can give us trouble here, so just ignore this. But for the same thing, if you are a Hindu, you are living abroad, like you are in Europe or you are living in Americas, and something you don't feel good or you get offended, so if you speak there, you are in minority, people would appreciate you that you are a brave person. So the little things, but there if you see that most of the Hindus or Sikhs or Muslims or whatever they are, they usually don't even speak, and they try to hide behind their so-called broad-mindedness. Oh, they don't care about this thing, but once it is their place, they care, and they even become bullies. Like for example, a Muslim living in the Middle East, there are a lot of Arabian countries, they are in majority. So if something goes wrong, even if something is wrong, I am not saying that in this case something is wrong or not, but even if in this case, for example, something is wrong, and those who are living in India, they are in majority, so nobody can trouble them or give them trouble. Same way the Arabians are mostly the Muslims, and if something, even if something goes wrong, for example, we can just suppose, so they can just let it go. But if the same Arabians or the Muslims, they are in Canada, for example, and if they feel something bad there, they should speak. They say that we are getting offended due to this thing. or if for example there are some Hindus living in United States, and if they feel something bad there, they can talk about that, but there they never talk because they become hypocrite. And we humans generally are hypocrites, and wherever we are in minority, we become cowards, and we don't even like to speak, and we tell, oh no no, I don't even care, I am broad minded, I am not narrow minded. But once you come back to your place where you have a majority, you would start criticizing little things, and that is what going on here in the case of this ad in India. So this is just like a total uneducated behavior by the Hindus of India. So this behavior can be shown by the Muslims of Pakistan, Muslims of Middle East, the European or the Christians of the European or the American Christians of the Americas and Europe. But this should be, one should be really careful once someone criticizes that what they are criticizing for. So this is just like a kid helping another kid, and since they wanted to bring harmony, a message for the Hindus and the Muslims, so they portrayed one kid as a Hindu and the other kid as a Muslim, and the Hindu kid in this case is helping a Muslim guy, but the Hindus are not feeling happy. So if this would have been a Muslim guy helping a Hindu, or if this would have been a Muslim guy helping a Sikh in Pakistan, they would have appreciated it. So but since they don't feel that insecure about themselves, and in Hindus of India this insecurity is more, and that is why they are criticizing this thing a lot on the media as well, on the social media as well. They are like coming up with really funny arguments that you can just laugh on those arguments, that what kind of a comments are these. And as far as the Surf Excel is concerned, I don't know, I mean Surf Excel is probably good to remove these coloring from the clothes once you play in a holy kind of a festival, and or probably it is not good. But in this video actually, or in this ad, it is not actually showing that it can actually clean those colors from your clothes, but it is just like showing that this video or this ad is actually to make clean people's mind. But once your minds are really dirty, so whether that is a video or that is a Surf Excel, so it is going to fail. And this is what happened in the case of those Hindus who had like dirty minds, and once they saw this video, instead of finding some positive message out of this video, they felt insecure, they started spreading hatred. Although this video was supposed to make them love, but it worked the other way around. So once your mind is bad, even if something good happens, since your mind is dirty, so you are going to take everything in a negative manner. So this is pretty much my feedback on this ad, and you guys can also give your feedback on this video in the comment section or on my comments. Have fun.